Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Floorplanner. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw walls, to create the main structure of your design. If you like my videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel. First link on the description, the complete course Floorplanner is available. So if you want to learn this online tool perfectly, you want to master fast this online tool, have all the information that you need inside the complete course, everything will be on the first link on the description. Floorplanner, great tools to create interior design. It is fast, it is convenient. You have a free version and you have also paid version, so it means it is more paid options with credits. So let's first, I'm inside this project, and on the left you can find this tab and we have draw walls. We can also after draw rooms. If I click on draw walls, just like this, the aim is to zoom a little bit and to start from this point. The best things to do is to start from this point, it is a reference point. And you go left click. Don't forget that you have a grid. If you click on this area, you have show grid. I can advise you to keep show grid activated, just like that. If you don't have show grid, definitely it's almost impossible to have precision. So just activate show grid and just come back, click on draw walls and left click here, create the first wall. You can enter a dimension. If you don't enter a dimension, you can make something fast. You can make something like this. You can come back and you can just close and that's it. I created my first element. Even if here I need to make some adjustment, yes, just like that. So now if you want to have more precision, you can come back with the history panels. I would like to create something with draw wall. So first wall at 10 meters. So left click here and you can enter the value on this area. You can directly type the value and press enter. I can press 10, enter. Just need to be careful to be horizontally if you want to stay horizontally for sure. And here I would like maybe I can zoom a little bit out and I would like 6 meters. So I can type 6, press enter. Then I can go on this direction. I would like to come back with 6. So I can type 6 and validate. If the view is not good, press escape, stop to create your walls, recenter, and after to recenter with your mouse to zoom in, zoom out, you can select draw walls again and you just need to snap to the corner and I can come back and I can go in this direction. Let's step for example 2. And here, when you arrive here, I can see 2 guides like what I can have 4 meters and I can directly snap here. And I created my main structure, just like this. After, if you want to create wall inside, you can click on wall and you can start a wall where you want. Just go left click and for example, I can create a wall on this direction. You can also click on any point on the wall. For example, I can click here. And if I go left click on this wall, you have different options. I can, for example, draw walls from this point and drag and move on this direction. If I click, for example, on this wall, click around this point, I can also have the possibility to split the wall in 2 parts. And in this case, I have one wall here and I have now one wall here. Sometimes it is useful because I can drag and move this point and I can create, for example, something like this. So sometimes it is useful to split a wall. Don't forget that if you remove a wall, you can click on once, you click here. When you have something open, you won't have a room because it is open. But after I can go left click here and I can extend. If you want to create a curved wall, just click on one of these and you have the options curve. And in this case, you can create a curved wall just like this, even if we don't use this too much. And the last important things to know, so after you can take any point and you can drag and move, you just need to be careful about keep horizontality and verticality of your walls. If I click on any walls, you have options on the left and you have settings. You can change the thickness of the wall and the wall height. So by default, the height is 280 centimeter, thickness 15 centimeter. So most of the time we will use this, but if you need to change, you can change. And when you click on one of the walls, after we'll be able to drag and move materials if we need. If I go in this direction, 3D view, like this, you can reset the view clicking here, and directly we can find our base, just like that. I can turn around like this. If I want to go inside, I can use this icon, walk through, and I can go inside. I can turn with my left click, and with my arrow keys on the keyboard, I can also advance or change, like exactly if I was walking inside my room, just like this. And I can change, I can go also inside here, just like that. Let's just come back outside, 2D. So this is how you can start with walls, but you can also use draw rooms, and it's also very convenient when you use draw rooms directly. You can have a room just like this. I can use draw rooms again, and I can create another room just like that. We're going to stop here. If you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also continue to follow me and discover all my different videos. My name is Niklas. I'm an online teacher, so I like to create content about a lot of graphic design things, 3D modeling, photo editing, interior design, photo montage, self-publishing, desktop software, all this type of thing. I can master all these type of things. The complete course Floorplanner is available on the first link on the description. So if you need to learn fast these online tools, if you need something with a complete structure, you will see the description of the model and the session. At the end of the course, also a complete training with the creation of a house. And for our next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.